So now we're going to introduce you to the back end of Greater Commons, and if you want to contribute and you're just watching this video because you're like, okay, how did they build Greater Commons? You could message me on Twitter, the link's down below, and just say, hey, I want to help contribute to Greater Commons, and that's all you got to do, right? First thing at GitLab that you should know is here's Daniel's screen, and he's going to be doing most of the talking here in a minute, but I'll just do this initial talking. So at GitLab, we built Greater Commons with microservices. And so here's a bunch of different little services. And the first top two that you see here, which is website and infrastructure, those are legacy, right? They don't need to do anything with those.
Yeah, website's legacy. Infrastructure was an experiment, which is paused. So nothing needs to be done with those.
But then everything down beneath that, all the different repositories down beneath it, those are each different microservices that all work together to run Greater Commons. And the first one we're going to work with is Bootstrapper. And so Bootstrapper will get everything set up for you, and it'll run all of the code locally on your machine and bring down all of the code. And so it just takes care of a lot of the little setup stuff so that you could get up and running and working with Greater Commons code. Bootstrapper is pretty amazing. Daniel, you got anything you want to say about it? And then the next video we'll introduce Bootstrapper and show it working.
Definitely use Bootstrapper.
Yeah.
Because it would take me about 5 minutes to turn Greater Commons on, which I can do in one command with Bootstrapper.
Yeah. So totally useful little tool, and we'll show you Bootstrapper in the next video.